I'm Jiji Bos, student of MR Fortson of Christ College, Bhopal, and my topic for the presentation is interrelationship between sociology and education. Sociology and education are interrelated and because both deal with human society, social behavior, and development. Education helps shape society, and society influences what and how we learn. The relationship can be understood in the following ways, and the first point is education as a social institution. Education is one of the major social institutions like family, religion, and politics. Sociology studies how education functions within society, its purpose, structure, and impact on individuals and groups. Second point is society influences education. The kind of education given in a country depends on cultural values, social norms, economic conditions, political systems, social goals. For example, a democratic society promotes quality, equality, critical thinking, and freedom in education. Education transmits culture. Education helps in passing cultural values to the next generation, preserving the traditions, teaching languages, norms, customs, and behavior. This is also called as cultural transmission, a major concern of sociology. And fourthly, education promotes socialization. Sociology explains how education shapes personalities. Schools also teach children discipline, cooperation, social roles, communication, problem solving. This process of learning social behavior is known as socialization. To conclude, I would say that both education and sociology is interrelated because without the society there is no education, and without the education there is no society. The both are interrelated because the society is developed because of education, due to education, and education also is needed because we need society for education. Thank you.